Want to give your photos an anime-inspired glow? This preset pack brings dreamy, colorful edits in just one click. These presets work beautifully on mobile and desktop. You get 5 unique styles to match your mood and content. Inside the download, 5 mobile presets in DNG format, 5 desktop presets in LRTemplate and XMP, and 1 full PDF guide. They work with Lightroom Mobile for iPhone or Android. They also run on Lightroom Desktop, compatible with both JPG and ARAB images. Let us see how they look in action. One tap brings soft colors, enhanced contrast, and a romantic anime vibe, perfect for portraits, couple shots, cosplay, and dreamy edits. Download the free Lightroom app, apply your favorite preset, and watch the magic happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with other creators, and subscribe for more Lightroom presets and photo tips.